Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this lesson. And in this lesson, I'll be explaining you all about the audio monitor setup and its placement for mixing. Many producers don't care about these settings, but guys, if you all really want to produce some serious tracks, then please do follow the standard rules, as all these little things can make a big impact on your final mix. So, without any further delay, let's start this lesson. Guys, there is a standard guideline by recording engineer Bobby Osinski on setting up the audio monitors. The guideline is very beneficial in practical as I set up my audio monitors in the same way. This setup helps in creating a perfect stereo image in between both the audio monitors with ease. And no doubt the mixing results are more awesome. This guideline by Bobby Osinski is very beneficial, and I would like you all to set up your audio monitors using this same guideline. So let's see what the guideline is about. So as you all can see in the illustration that it's a equatorial triangle with a 60-degree cornering angles. The rule is to have the same distance from sweet spot from both the audio monitors as they are from each other. And do remember that the point should meet behind your head. You should be inside the triangle or you all will miss the sweet spot for mixing. Remember not to make the audio monitors too close together as it will lack stereo with details. At least 3 feet apart. And do not place monitors too far apart as this will not create the perfect focal point or the sweet spot for mixing. Okay, what should be the placement height of the audio monitors? Well guys, there is again one simple rule for the audio monitor placement height for perfect imaging. As you all can see in the illustration, the height of the engineer ears from ground while sitting on the chair should be between the low and high frequency audio drivers. I personally found this spot very productive and very well detailed. You are free to adjust the height of the chair for better imaging response. Or if you guys are using tripod stands for monitors, then you all can adjust the height of the stands. But not to worry about it, as most of the audio monitors come with the monitor setup guide. And guys, if possible, do use the tripod stand for the studio monitors, as bass response is really tight on this tripod stand without any sound distortion or sound reflection. But if tripods is not possible, then do use a prime acoustic recoil stabilizer for monitor placement over your work desk. These recoil stabilizers come in different sizes according to audio monitor size and weight requirements. These stabilizers from Prime Acoustic helps in preventing the vibration caused by audio monitors, as this vibration by the audio monitors can cause too much distortion and noise on the work desk. So it's kind of the best possible way to isolate this unwanted noise caused by the audio monitors, as mixing requires a noise-free environment. So do use these prime acoustic stabilizers.